Ant. Family Formicidae. Any of approximately 10,000 species of insects that are social, inhabit and live together in organized colonies. Ants occur worldwide but are most numerous, both in numbers and in species, in tropical and subtropical regions. Ants are essential members of the ecosystems they inhabit, and some even serve as keystone species that have a disproportionately large effect on their ecological communities. Some ants are considered pests to humans, and a number are invasive species in areas outside their native ranges. Ants range in size from about 0.08 to 1 inch. Their color is usually yellow, brown, red, or black. Typically, an ant has a large head and a slender, oval abdomen joined to the thorax, or midsection, by a small waist. In all ants there are either one or two fin-like extensions running across the thin waist region. The antennae are always elbowed. There are two sets of jaws. The outer pair is used for carrying objects, such as food and for digging, and the inner pair is used for chewing. Some species, such as the debilitating bullet ant, have a powerful sting at the tip of the abdomen. Ants are social insects, and the colony is a family community of which every ant is an integral unit. Apart from the community, any one individual cannot properly function or survive, and the larvae are completely dependent upon the continuous care of the adults. There are generally 3 castes, or classes, within a colony: queens, males, and workers. Male ants play no part in everyday nest activities. They live only for a short time, occur in limited numbers, and are virtual parasites of the colony, which must feed them. The fertile female, the queen, performs only one task: egg laying. The life cycle of the ant has 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult, and typically spans a period of 8 to 10 weeks for worker ants. At certain times of the year, the winged males and virgin queens fly into the air, where the queen mates with a single male. During the flight he transfers to her seminal receptacle all the sperm she will require for the rest of her life, which may be as long as 15 years. The males die soon afterward, and the fertilized queen establishes a new nest or takes over the current nest. Her wings then drop off, and the bulky wing muscles degenerate, providing nutritive materials from the breakdown of the muscle tissue. As soon as the wings have fallen, her ovaries become functional, and egg-laying begins. In primitive species, the queen leaves the nest and forages for food for the larvae. In more advanced forms, the queen rarely leaves the nest. She feeds so-called nutrition eggs or other food stores within her own body to the first brood. The larvae that survive in the nest develop into dwarf workers, which forage outside the nest for food to nourish additional larvae. The essential work in the ant society, such as building the nest, feeding and tending the brood, and defending the nest, is performed by the workers, all of whom are female. The workers can be differentiated morphologically and physiologically as soldiers, outside workers, inside workers, and nest builders. In the division of labor among some ant forms, highly specialized types of polymorphism have developed. The Cryptocercus ants, for example, make nests in hollow stems of plants, then bore a circular entrance that remains under constant surveillance by special guards whose heads are modified into plug-like structures that fit the entrance. Each guard is relieved after several hours, and another guard takes its place. Entrance guards are useless for other tasks. Honey ant repletes are a special type of worker that are fed so much that the size of their abdomens is greatly increased. Unable to walk, they hang as living honey jugs from the ceiling of the nest, to be used as a food source when fresh food is scarce. Most ants live in nests, which may be located in the ground, or under a rock, or built above ground and made of twigs, sand, or gravel. Many subterranean nests are quite extensive, with a multitude of tunnels and specialized chambers. Carpenter ants are large black ants common in North America that live in old logs and timbers. Some species live in trees or in the hollow stems of weeds. Weaver ants, found in the tropics of Africa and Asia, make nests of leaves and similar materials held together with silk secreted by the larvae. Dolichoderus, a genus of ants that are found worldwide, glues together bits of animal feces for its nest. The widely distributed pharaoh ant, a small yellowish insect, builds its nest either in houses, when found in cool climates, or outdoors, when it occurs in warm climates. The food of ants consists of both plant and animal substances. Many ants are generalists and utilize a wide range of organic substances for food. Worker ants forage daily, and collected food and water is brought to the larvae and mature ants in the nest. They frequently use scent marks, which they place on their pathways, to find their way back. to the nest and direct other colony members to a food source. There are approximately 10,000 species of ants on Earth, with a wide range of diets and behaviors among them. Many ant species are opportunistic omnivores,